Hi, I'm Mrs. Vandersloot, and I want to show you how to unthread a machine first and then thread a machine. So the first thing we're going to do is unthread. So simple. You take it off of the spool pin, you lift it, and you wind it like this, and it comes all the way through by itself. If it gets stuck, just wiggle this. You've just unwound it. Good job. Now down here, to unthread it, you take this out, you pull the latch, you take it out, and you shake it. Okay, now I want to show you how to thread your machine. We're going to do the bobbin first. So this is a bobbin case. This always has to be to the top. And I want you to put it in so it turns to the right, which is clockwise. Turning. Then I see this little crack thing right there. It goes through there and then through this opening. And then you've got it ready to go in your machine. This is a latch, and if you hold the latch, you can put it in one-handed. And you just put it in like that, and you hear it click. Okay. And you leave it on, just leave it open. Now I take my top thread, and I want my thread coming from the back, and you follow the arrows. There's your first thread guide, arrow, arrow, a U-turn arrow, which catches right here. Then you take your finger and you've got one right there, a guide right there, and then you need to poke it through the hole of the needle. Now, sometimes people get frustrated. Part of the reason is that you need to poke it straight in, and then you pull it. Now I lift my presser foot. I make sure this is in my left hand. Then I take my right hand and I turn my hand wheel all the way down. My needle went all the way down and up. And I pulled that one. Now I can shut this. Then there's a slit right here. I can take it here or I can cut it. Either way is just perfect. That's how you thread it. Let me try it one more time. Okay. Follow the arrow. Follow the arrow. Follow the arrow, take it like that, and poke it through. If you needed to do the bottom again, this has to go up, this comes to the right, it pulls from the right, it goes in that little slit, and then through the teeth, pull this little handle, and poke it in. Make sure your cattail is at the top. I take my left hand, I make this rotation with my hand wheel, I pull it up, I take it through the slot, ta-da!